This is how I prepared my brownies at home, or homemade brownies, anyone that you wish. If you're doubting how to prepare your brownies at home, then this video is for you. So what I did, in a bowl, I poured my flour mix with some chocolate in powdered form. You can see how dry it is. This is how I bought it, and it's just 1 kilo in the packet. And the next is my fat. I'm using some liquid fat. It's 200 grams, and water, just 100 grams, poured in my flour mix or brownies mix. And then now I just added 1 egg. I just need just 1 egg for this 1 kilogram of flour. So this is me mixing everything together. You have to mix it thoroughly until the flour mix with the rest of the items in the bowl. Don't use any mixer. So I have to do it manually until the consistency changes. You can see it has already started changing. It's even getting to dark brown. You know, brownies, they are always brown, and the flour mix is a mixture of chocolate. That's how this color is like this. It's having this nice chocolate color. So we can just call it chocolate brownies. So guys, you see it's changing. This is how you know if it's ready. You see I took it up in the spoon and it drips like that. It doesn't just remain in the bowl or at the stick. And then next is my baking pan. I'm applying some fat on it. You can use butter. You have to apply it really well so that the brownies will not get stick in the pan after it has baked. So this is me pouring my mixture in my baking pan, and I have to apply it in all the corners of my baking pan. As of now, I have set my oven on 180 degrees. Meanwhile, my oven will get hot before I finish this process. So this is me applying it in all the corners of my baking pan, as you can see on the video. So apply it thoroughly so that when it's ready, it should be ready in all the corners. But if it's a lot in one corner, the brownies will not get ready in all the corners. Some side will look raw. So make sure you take the time and apply it thoroughly. So the next process is for me to set it in the oven. As I said, I have set on my oven earlier, and my oven is really hot at this moment. Guys, try this delicious and simple chocolate brownies at home, and you will really like it. So I just set in my brownies in the oven, and after 30 minutes, this is the result. My brownies came out so well. If you look keenly, you will see that all the corners were baked thoroughly. So now it's serving time. You know, brownies, like normal, you have to slice it into smaller bits. So this is me slicing it, and it tastes so well. It is yummy, yummy.